Artificial intelligence and automation are no longer concepts of a distant future. They are realities reshaping our world today. From factory floors to corporate boardrooms, an increasing number of tasks and jobs are being taken over by machines and algorithms. According to a 2020 report by the World Economic Forum, automation is expected to displace 85 million jobs globally by 2025. Simultaneously, it will create 97 million new roles that require a different set of skills. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, we're confronted with the critical question: what will be the role of humans in this new landscape? How will widespread automation affect employment, consumer spending, and the global economy? In today's video, we will explore just this topic. We will explore the potential future of a society where AI has taken over most jobs and discuss how economies might still function in such a scenario. Let's first dive into the retail industry. Nowadays, you can't walk into a grocery store without seeing a self-checkout machine. According to a 2020 report by the RBR, by 2029, global installations of self-checkout terminals are expected to reach 2 million units, up from 217,000 units in 2023. These machines offer convenience and efficiency, but they also reduce the need for human cashiers. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics project a 7% decline in cashier jobs from 2019 to 2029, resulting in approximately 265,000 fewer positions. Moreover, the rise of e-commerce giants like Amazon have transformed shopping habits permanently. Amazon's new cashless stores, known as Amazon Go, utilizes advanced sensors and AI to allow customers to shop without traditional checkouts. If you haven't seen this before, essentially you can go into the store, pick out everything that you want to buy, and just walk out. The AI sensors will know which items you have bought and charge your credit card accordingly. This model, if widely adopted, could further diminish the need for retail employment. The customer service sector is another sector that's undergoing significant overhaul. According to a Gartner report, 70% of all customer service interactions will eventually involve emerging technologies such as machine learning applications, chatbots, and mobile messaging. Companies are adopting AI-powered virtual assistants in all industries to handle their customer inquiries, reducing the need for extensive customer support teams. Now, if you want to learn how to get started and build your own AI chatbot for free, sign up with ChatLemon below. For instance, Bank of America's virtual assistant, Erica, has provided personalized insights and guidance 1.2 billion times since its inception in 2018. And currently, she handles approximately 2 million customer interactions every single day. While this increases efficiency, it also means fewer jobs for customer service representatives. Manufacturing has long been at the forefront of automations. The International Federation of Robotics report that there are currently over 3 million robots in factories worldwide, and it's increasing by double digits every single year. In countries like South Korea and Japan, the robot density, so this is the number of robots per 10,000 employees, is the highest globally. Automation isn't just limited to assembly lines, though. Advanced AI systems are now capable of performing complex tasks such as quality control inspections using machine vision. Companies like General Motors are investing heavily in lights-out manufacturing. So what this means is that the factories are able to operate autonomously without any human intervention. Now, if you think the legal field is immune, you are wrong. Even professional sectors are feeling the impact of AI and automations. In the legal industry, AI algorithms are used for contract analysis and predicting legal outcomes. Law firms utilize platforms like Kira systems to reduce the time spent on document review by up to 90%. This efficiency reduces the need for large teams of junior lawyers and paralegals. In journalism, AI AI-generated content is becoming more prevalent as well. The Associated Press uses Automated Insights Wordsmith platform to produce thousands of earning reports every single year, freeing up journalists to focus on in-depth reporting. While this allows for rapid reporting, it also raises concerns about job security for writers and reporters. The transportation industry is also on the cusp of significant transformation with autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are all investing billions of dollars into self-driving technology. According to McKinsey & Company report, the transition to full autonomy could reduce operating costs for these companies by up to 45%, which will result in between $85 billion to $125 billion in savings every single year. However, this also poses a threat to the livelihood of the millions of truck drivers worldwide. This could also have a ripple effect as well. As there are less truck drivers on the road, the demand for the motels and diners that these truck drivers stay at will also face bankruptcy. Healthcare is another area that's experiencing automation, though in a very different manner. AI algorithms assist in diagnostics, treatment plans, and even surgery. IBM's Watson is used by physicians to analyze patient data and research findings. Robotic surgery systems like Da Vinci Surgical System have already performed over 14 million procedures worldwide. While AI can enhance patient care, it may reduce the need for certain medical professionals. For example, studies have shown that AI systems can now diagnose certain conditions like skin cancer with the same accuracy as dermatologists. Education is another sector that is not immune to AI and automations. With the release of OpenAI's new advanced voice capabilities, people worldwide can practice language skills with AI. Now, instead of hiring tutors for $10 or $20 per hour, you can now just practice with AI language tutors for as little as $20 per month. Virtual tutors and AI grading systems could also reduce the workload for educators. This could mean fewer teaching positions as institutions adopt cost-saving technologies. With automation permeating every sector, the traditional economic model is facing disruption. If a huge portion of the population is unemployed or underemployed, consumer spending could decrease dramatically. This raises the question, who will buy all the products and services being produced? Economists warn of a potential decline in aggregate demand, leading to slower economic growth. A study by the McKinsey Global Institute suggests that without intervention, automation could widen the gap between the rich and the poor, accelerating global income inequality. So what's the solution? One popular proposed solution is Universal Basic Income, or UBI for short. In addition to Finland's experiment, other countries like Canada and the Netherlands have also conducted their own UBI trials. California also experimented with a pilot program where they gave 125 residents $500 every single month. And they found that over a 24-month period, they saw an increase in full-time employment. While UBI could provide a safety net, critics argue about its sustainability and potential impact on inflation. Funding UBI would also require significant taxation or reallocation of government spending. Now, investing in reskilling programs will be crucial. The OECD estimates that 14% of jobs today are at high risk of automation. Another 32% could face significant changes in how they are performed. Public and private sectors must collaborate and work together to provide education in STEM fields, critical thinking, and digital literacy. Governments could also incentivize lifelong learning through grants and tax benefits. Now, the education system that we're using today is largely, grossly outdated. It was designed during the Industrial Revolution to help workers prepare for factory jobs that are no longer adequate. There would be a pressing need to overhaul the educational models to focus on skills that are uniquely human and less likely to be replicated by AI, such as critical thinking, emotional intelligence, creativity, and ethical reasoning. Lifelong learning could also become the norm, with educational systems offering continuous opportunities for skill development and personal growth. We're also seeing a rise in the gig economy. So the gig economy may offer alternative employment opportunities. According to a report by MasterCard, the global gig economy generated a whopping $204 billion, and it's projected to grow by double digits annually. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit allow individuals to earn income flexibly, whenever they want, really. However, these jobs often lack the stability and benefits of a traditional job, raising concerns about worker rights and protections. Beyond economics, widespread unemployment could also have profound social and psychological effects. Work provides structure, purpose, and social interaction. The loss of jobs could lead to increased rates of depression, anxiety, and other mental health issues. As AI becomes more integrated into society, ethical considerations become paramount. Issues of data privacy, algorithmic bias, and accountability need to be addressed. Regulations like the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, aim to protect individual rights. Governments may need to develop new frameworks to manage AI's impact on employment and society. So, is the future utopian or dystopian? The future could unfold in various ways. In an utopian scenario, AI will handle all of our repetitive tasks, freeing us up to focus on creativity, innovation, and interpersonal relationships. Healthcare will improve, education will become accessible to all, and poverty will decrease. Conversely, a dystopian future could involve mass unemployment, social unrest, and a concentration of power among those who control the AI technologies. Surveillance and loss of privacy could also become widespread, leading to authoritarian regimes. The rise of AI also introduces complex legal and ethical questions. Who is responsible when an autonomous system causes harm? How do we regulate AI decision-making to prevent biases and ensure fairness? The legal system would need to evolve to address issues of liability, intellectual property rights concerning AI-generated content, and the protection of individual rights in an AI-driven world. Rather than viewing AI as the enemy, what if we can work collaboratively with AI? Humans and AI could work together, combining the strengths of both. For example, in healthcare, AI could process vast amounts of data to assist doctors in diagnosis, but the empathy and ethical judgment of a human physician just can't be replaced by AI. Fostering effective human-AI collaboration could also enhance productivity and job satisfaction. The adoption of AI could also shift global power dynamics. Countries leading in AI technology might gain significant economic and political advantages. This could also lead to new alliances or tensions on the international stage. Collaborative efforts to establish global standards and prevent an AI arms race will be important to maintain international stability. The rise of AI and automations presents both unprecedented challenges and opportunities. The potential displacement of jobs across various sectors could fundamentally alter our society and our economies. However, with proactive measures, we can navigate this transition successfully. Adaptability and foresight are key. By embracing change and preparing for the future, we can harness the benefits of AI while minimizing its drawbacks. Humanity have already overcome significant transformations before: the Industrial Revolution and the digital age, and we have emerged stronger than ever. With collective effort and responsible leadership, we can shape the future where technology enhances our lives. Thank you so much for joining my discussion on the future shaped by AI. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please share your thoughts in the comment section below.